When humans feel memories or emotions, how are the electrical signals stored and displayed? Memories and emotions are manifested through electrical signals in the intricate neural circuits of the brain. These electrical signals arise from neurotransmitters, which are transmitted between nerve cells called neurons. Memory is stored in the hippocampus and cerebellum of the brain. The hippocampus plays a role in forming and storing new memories, while the cerebellum reinforces and reproduces memories. When memories are stored, connections between neurons are either strengthened or new connections are formed. These connections contain the content of memories and are activated when exposed to new stimuli, triggering the recall of memories. Emotions, on the other hand, originate from various brain regions such as the amygdala, hypothalamus, and prefrontal cortex. The amygdala processes emotions and regulates responses, while the hypothalamus controls hormone secretion. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for thinking, judgment, planning, and also contributes to regulating and controlling emotions. When emotions occur, the connections between neurons are activated, transmitting electrical signals. These electrical signals trigger various bodily changes. For example, feeling joy increases heart rate and blood pressure while relaxing muscles. Conversely, feeling fear increases heart rate and blood pressure while tensing muscles. The display of memories or emotions can take various forms. For instance, memories can be expressed through language, images, or actions, while emotions can be conveyed through facial expressions, gestures, or changes in vocal tone. Recently, technologies have been developed to measure the brain's electrical signals to estimate memories or emotions. These technologies are expected to aid in the treatment of individuals who have lost memories or emotions due to brain injuries or illnesses. Is the electrical signal generated at this time caused by electrons moving? Is the energy within electrons or atoms generated as light? The brain's electrical signals originate from the movement of electrons. Neurons, the fundamental units of the brain, consist of cell bodies, axons, and dendrites centered around the cell membrane. Connections between neurons, called synapses, facilitate the transmission of neurotransmitters across the synaptic gap. When neurons are activated, there is a change in the membrane potential. At this point, ions carrying a positive charge move into the cell, generating an electrical signal as they pass through the cell membrane. This electrical signal travels along the axon and reaches other neurons. These electrical signals can be converted into light. The brain's electrical signals are known as brainwaves, which can be measured using electrodes. The technique of measuring brainwaves to analyze brain activity is called an electroencephalogram, EEG. EEGs can be used to diagnose brain damage or disorders and are also employed in the study of brain activity. In conclusion, the brain's electrical signals are generated through the movement of electrons but can also be converted into light.